This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Today, we are focusing on affordable wood projects that deliver impressive returns, proving that you don't need expensive timber or high-end tools to create products that sell. With creativity, careful planning, and smart craftsmanship, low-cost builds can become highly profitable, turning modest materials into meaningful income. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just beginning, this video will guide you through ideas and strategies that make low-budget woodworking projects both practical and financially rewarding. The essence of this approach lies in maximizing resources, minimizing waste, and creating items that appeal to buyers who value craftsmanship, aesthetics, and affordability. By the end of this session, you will have a clear understanding of how to design, build, and market wood projects that cost little to make but can generate substantial income. Affordable wood projects start with assessing materials that are accessible and inexpensive. Pallet wood, leftover planks, and reclaimed wood are excellent options, providing the raw material needed to create quality products without heavy investment. The beauty of low-cost materials is that they allow for experimentation. Even small or imperfect pieces can be transformed into items that are visually appealing and functional, offering buyers both utility and charm. When working with limited resources, it's essential to plan designs that minimize waste while maximizing the use of available wood. Simple measurements, careful cuts, and creative assembly ensure that each piece is utilized efficiently, contributing to the profitability of your projects. Smaller projects, such as wall-mounted shelves, decorative boxes, or candle holders, are excellent starting points for low-cost woodworking. These items require minimal material but can be enhanced with finishing techniques to elevate their value. Sanding, staining, or applying a natural oil finish transforms rough, inexpensive wood into pieces that look professionally made. Adding decorative elements such as painted accents, engraved patterns, or subtle carving adds a personal touch that appeals to buyers. These types of products are ideal for online marketplaces, local craft fairs, or even small boutique stores, where affordability combined with craftsmanship creates strong demand. By focusing on quality finishing and design, low-cost builds become items buyers are willing to pay a premium for, despite the inexpensive materials used. Medium-sized projects offer even more opportunities for profitability. For instance, small storage organizers, compact furniture pieces like stools or side tables, or kitchen accessories such as spice racks and cutting boards are items that people need and regularly purchase. By leveraging inexpensive wood and efficient design, you can produce pieces that provide real utility while keeping material costs low. For example, a simple spice rack or modular organizer can be created using leftover planks, nails, and wood glue, with a finish that enhances its visual appeal. Buyers often prefer affordable, functional items that are well-made, and even basic designs can sell effectively when craftsmanship is evident. Adding personalization or customization, such as engraved initials or decorative motifs, further increases value and encourages repeat purchases. Efficiency in production is essential for low-cost projects to be profitable. Creating multiple units of a single design in one session reduces labor per item and allows for consistent quality across all products. Establishing a dedicated workspace for cutting, assembly, and finishing improves workflow and ensures that materials are used optimally. Simple jigs or templates can be made to speed up production, especially for repetitive cuts or standardized dimensions, ensuring uniformity in each batch of products. By refining your workflow and maintaining consistency, low-cost projects can be produced at scale while preserving craftsmanship and quality, maximizing your return on time and effort. Marketing these products effectively is a critical component of their financial success. High-quality visuals, clear product descriptions, and storytelling about the creative process or sustainable sourcing can attract buyers who value both affordability and quality. Online marketplaces such as Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Handmade provide an ideal platform for reaching customers interested in handcrafted goods. Social media channels, particularly Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, allow you to showcase your designs, demonstrate production techniques, and build an engaged audience. Videos showing the transformation of inexpensive wood into polished, functional products resonate strongly with viewers, highlighting the skill and effort behind each item. Storytelling around sustainability, reuse of materials, or personal touches in design adds a layer of emotional appeal that encourages purchases and repeat business. Pricing is another key factor. Low-cost builds have the advantage of minimal material expenses, allowing for higher profit margins even with modest pricing. Smaller items such as coasters, key holders, or decorative boxes can sell in sets, generating attractive returns relative to the investment in materials. Medium-sized products like shelves, organizers, and kitchen accessories can command higher prices, reflecting both functionality and craftsmanship. Careful calculation of labor, finishing time, and materials ensures that your pricing strategy is sustainable and profitable. Customers are willing to pay more for well-made, visually appealing items, particularly when the perceived value exceeds the production cost. By pricing strategically, low-cost woodworking projects can consistently deliver strong financial returns. As you become more experienced, expanding the variety of projects increases income potential. Offering seasonal decor, gift sets, or themed collections helps reach different buyer segments and creates multiple revenue streams. Combining small items into attractive sets, for instance pairing a small shelf with coasters and a planter, enhances perceived value and allows for premium pricing. Incorporating customization options such as names, quotes, or unique color combinations adds another layer of profitability, as personalized products often sell at higher prices. By continually introducing new designs and improving existing ones, your portfolio of low-cost wood projects can grow to meet demand while maximizing efficiency and income. The accessibility of low-cost woodworking also allows for creative experimentation. Trying new finishing techniques, combining wood types, or introducing mixed materials such as metal or resin can elevate simple designs and differentiate your products from competitors. Even modest additions, like painted patterns or textured finishes, significantly increase visual appeal and perceived quality. Buyers appreciate thoughtful design and attention to detail, and small investments in enhancing aesthetics yield disproportionately high returns. Over time, developing a recognizable style or signature element in your work helps establish brand identity, attracting loyal customers and increasing repeat sales. Sustainability and storytelling are particularly effective for affordable projects. Many buyers today are environmentally conscious and value products that reuse materials or reduce waste. By emphasizing that your pieces are made from reclaimed or inexpensive wood, you create an additional selling point that resonates with customers. Sharing the process, from raw materials to finished product, helps buyers appreciate the skill and effort involved, enhancing their willingness to pay for items that are both beautiful and responsibly made. These stories can be shared in product descriptions, social media posts, or short videos, connecting buyers to your creative journey and building trust and loyalty. The financial outlook for low-cost woodworking is strong. Because material expenses are minimal, even modest production yields healthy profit margins. With consistent production, thoughtful design, and strategic marketing, low-cost projects can generate a reliable income stream. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.